Hey honeys, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. So today I've got for you a video with 3 different hair masks with just a few ingredients for those days when you don't have the time or fancy making those masks with tons and tons of ingredients. These masks are for all hair types, Afro hair, Caucasian hair, for Asian hair, all hair types. And these masks are quick and easy to make, straightforward and fast with very little time needed to make them. So perfect for those busy days. All of these masks help to promote faster hair growth, repair damaged hair, reduces frizz, strengthens weak strands, gives you thicker hair, provides shine, provides moisture as you will see later, and locks the moisture in too, rebuilds weak brittle hair and stops breakage. Please watch this video to the end to answer all your questions, to know the do's and don'ts to get best maximum results. I'll also show you how the hair responds to each mask and which one you need based on your hair needs. Our first ingredient for our first hair mask is aloe vera, and I'm going to give it a good wash to get rid of any dirt. And here we are, all washed. Now I'll cut it into pieces like this and then cut them into again like this to make it easy to get out the gel. I then use the knife to take off one side of the aloe peels. As you can see, get a spoon and then scoop out the aloe gel. You can use the knife to slide off the gel, but it's safer for me with the spoon. And then when we've got our aloe gel out, I'm going to mash the gel with my fingers as much as I can to make it easy to sift through. So this is our gel. Here we are. Next ingredient is coffee, and I'm using just 1 tablespoonful. I'm adding a little warm water here as well to be able to dissolve the coffee, else you will have coffee granules in your mixture which can stick to your hair and block your follicles when applied. You give it a good mix, then use a cheesecloth or tie to strain through. Please don't miss this part, you don't want these to be stuck to your hair. Okay, and here we go. Look at that. Look, it's so good. Looks so good. Now I'm bringing in some olive oil. I'm adding 1 tablespoonful, and also bringing in some black castor oil, again 1 tablespoonful. Give it a good mix again, and your aloe vera and coffee hair mask is ready, honeys. So we're moving on to our second hair mask, and for our second hair mask we have yogurt, and I'm using Greek yogurt, plain unflavored Greek yogurt for best results because it's thicker, richer in protein, and contains more moisture than regular yogurt. And I'm putting in about 5 big tablespoons. Next, I'm using 1 tablespoon of coffee. Give it a good mix again to avoid any coffee granules left about in your mixture, like that. Okay, good mix, honeys. And here it is. This is the result you want. Look very silky, creamy and smooth. Then I bring in 1 spoonful of olive oil and 1 spoonful of black castor oil. Give it a good mix again, just like this. And our yogurt and coffee hair mask, it's ready. Look at that, guys. So smooth, so silky, so creamy. We're moving on to the next hair mask, which we have eggs. Okay, now I'm bringing in 2 eggs and mixing them with, again, tablespoon of coffee. Again, here I'm bringing in some warm water to make it easy for the coffee granules to dissolve, and then give it a good mix like this. And then I will bring in my 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of black castor oil. You want to give everything a good mix, honeys. again to make sure all the coffee granules dissolve very well. And then we're going to be applying this hair mask to the hair. Now I'm separating the hair into 3 sections because we're going to apply the mask to each section and see how the hair responds to each of the hair masks. So we are starting with the yogurt and coffee mask. Again, you see how creamy, silky it is. My goodness. Now I'm applying on the whole length of her hair, focusing more on her ends, which is the driest and oldest part, so needs more product and attention to make it stronger for that length retention, making sure you're separating the hairs to reach every strand when applying honeys. Honeys, coffee is packed with tons of nutrients. Coffee locks moisture and creates natural shine. Look at that. Increases blood circulation, moving nutrients to the hair roots. Study shows coffee blocks DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. So if you're losing a lot of hair, try these masks. Next to apply will be the egg and coffee hair mask. Look at that consistency. Honeys, the result from this mask is amazing. You will see for yourself this egg and coffee mask. Again, I'm applying from roots to ends, and you are just going to see how the hair is responding already. That curl definition. Honey's coffee also detoxifies your scalp and cleanse it, get rid of product buildup, excess sebum, and promotes healthy scalp. And most powerful benefit of these masks, okay, is coffee promotes fast hair growth. Now this egg and coffee hair mask will strengthen any weak strands, boost scalp blood flow for hair growth, and adds natural shine. And you will see the shine with this section of hair that I'm working on later. Egg provides protein and fatty acids to repair damaged hair, while coffee exfoliates the scalp and caffeine stimulates hair follicles. So we're going to move on to the last section and apply our aloe vera and coffee mask. The slip with this mask is on a different level, honeys, and the response from the hair, just wait and see for yourself. Aloe vera and coffee hair mask stimulates hair growth with a caffeine targeting hair follicles, boosting blood flow to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to roots, improves scalp blood circulation, deeply hydrates dry strands, and reduces dandruff. The caffeine energizes hair roots, while aloe vera soothes the scalp and locks in moisture, resulting in softer, shinier hair. Aloe vera provides intense moisture, as you can see, and relieves dry, itchy, or irritated scalp. So if you're experiencing itchy, irritated scalp, please try this mask. The anti-inflammatory properties in aloe vera help clear flakes and balance scalp health. Regular use of this mask smooths the hair cuticles, taming frizz, and adding glossy shine. So now I'm covering the hair with a shower cap, first with a plastic cap. You can use a plastic bag for about 45 minutes to an hour, okay, and then we take it off and see the results for ourselves. Now whilst I start finger detangling this, honey, you will not believe how easy it was. So easy. The hair was so soft with the yogurt and coffee mask. So we're starting with the yogurt and coffee mask, and you can see the comb is just going through so easily. Honeys, if I tell you how soft her hair was, it's unbelievable. You just have to try it and see. Try it, guys. Let me know which one you're actually going to try first. I won't want you to try all of them, but look at this, guys. Look at this. Now, honeys, please always finger detangle the hair before you come in with the comb, just to give your hair that gentle detangling. Okay, look at this, guys. Look at how the comb is going through. You can see the softness of the hair yourself, just looking at the comb going through, looking at the texture, how the hair is responding. You can see for yourself. So we are moving on to the egg and coffee mask, and again I'm finger detangling, and trust me, This egg and coffee hair mask, when you put in your hair, again, detangling is just so easy. Again, you just look at the hair and tell me yourself. The softness it gives to your hair is unbelievable. You can see it, okay? You can see how the comb is going through. But then it's the shine that this egg and coffee mask brings to the hair. That shine, that glossiness, you will see for yourself when you try it. So now we're going to see the result for the aloe and coffee mask. Okay, I just want you to see for yourself. Okay, so I'm finger detangling first, and we're going to comb through it. But look at that curl definition already, guys. Now again, the comb is going through so easy. The slip with this mask, like I said, is out of this world. Is unbelievable. And so your comb is just going to glide through, just slide through like that. And look at the curl definition, guys. Just wait for that. Look at that curl definition. Oh my goodness, just look at that, guys. You have to try this aloe vera and coffee mask. It's just magical. Look at that. Your hair will be transformed. You can see it for yourself. Honeys, please like this video for me if you're happy with it, so I know you like it. So it's time to rinse out the mask from the hair, and we'll start with the egg and coffee mask. So you see the result. There you go. This is the final result of the egg and coffee mask. So next we're going to the yogurt and coffee mask. Again, look at that curl definition popping out. Look at those curls, guys, popping. My goodness, look at that. Please make sure you rinse the hair thoroughly until you see the water running clear. You don't want any product buildup. And finally, we're on the aloe and coffee hair mask. And again, guys, look at that curl definition again. Look at that. Just look. The aloe and coffee hair mask. Oh my goodness, that curl definition from this mask. You just have to try it on your hair and come back and tell me. So honeys, all is done. The hair is all done. And this is what you have. Okay? The whole hair, my goodness, looks so healthy, strong, well treated. You can see the hair is well fed, the hair is happy, and that curl definition, my goodness. Honeys, please like the video for me if you haven't already. Let me see the thumbs up, please. Let me see the clicks. Please tap on the like button. Show me some love. This is 3 masks in one video. Come on, honeys. All for you. These all for you. So please show your sister some love, and don't forget, please also click on the hype button for me, okay, by scrolling to the left to find the hype button, and kindly click on that for me as well. Now I just want to mention the specific benefits of the yogurt and coffee hair mask, okay, which I didn't earlier. So the yogurt and coffee hair mask exfoliates the scalp, stimulates hair growth, reduces frizz and deep conditions dry strands. Yogurt provides lactic acid to cleanse and proteins to soften hair. Caffeine wakes up hair roots and increases circulation. Yogurt hydrates dry hair and calm frizz. Lactic acid in yogurt helps balance the scalp and fights flaking. So if your scalp is dry and flaky with dandruff and it's dry, try this mask, honeys. And now a few other specific benefits of the egg and coffee hair mask. So caffeine in coffee increases blood flow to the scalp and roots, promoting hair growth. Egg protein and biotin rebuilds weak, brittle hair and stop breakage, also reduces split ends. Coffee acts as natural gloss, while egg fats smooth frizz. So if your hair is frizzy, then try this mask. Coffee grounds scrub away dead skin and product buildup. Now, how to store these hair masks. All of these masks, due to the raw and fresh nature of the ingredients like the egg, aloe vera and yogurt, it's best to use them on the day of preparation, please, honeys, for best maximum results because of the moisture content. Now, these masks are for all hair types, like I said earlier, and for all hair porosity types. And these masks, all these 3 are perfect for children, can be used on your children, because these masks, okay, are made of natural ingredients, and you can see I'm using on my daughter, so no worries at all. Honeys, I really want you to try all these 3 masks, try all of them, okay, so you know which one your hair will, like, and which one will work best for your hair. But I can guarantee you will love them all. You will get great response and results. Your hair is going to be rejuvenated, refreshed, come back to life, and you're going to see growth. These masks are super amazing, so I need you to try them, honeys. Now, for the benefits of the oils I used, please check my avocado hair mask video so we don't make this one longer than it is. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy I could put this together for you. Please like the video for me before you leave, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. There's a lot on this channel to help you with your hair growth, hair maintenance, and to help you on your hair journey, and more coming on this channel. Please get your friends and family to subscribe, okay, to know about this channel as well. Please like the video for me. I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much once again. Love you to the moon and back, and I will see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.